Hey everybody, it's the Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how I make steel cut oats in my Instant Pot. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my Instant Pot liner. This is olive oil cooking spray. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of hot water. One and a half cups of steel cut oats. Mix that together. I'm going to pour in a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Sprinkle in some cinnamon, ground cinnamon. I'm going to put in, that's probably about half a cup of raisins. Shredded carrot. And diced apple slices. And this is Honeycrisp apple, so it's going to be really good. I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to turn my Instant Pot on porridge for 12 minutes. Gonna put the lid on and let it do its thing. Make sure your venting valve is on sealed. I've allowed my pressure cooker to do a self-release for 10 minutes. Now we're gonna finish it by doing a quick release. The silver button has dropped down, so we're gonna remove our little accessory for our release button. Open the lid away from our face. Look at that yummy goodness. Now I'm going to add some walnuts to my steel cut oatmeal. Now it's time for a taste test. So good. If you like your steel cut oats a little sweeter, you may want to add brown sugar or honey. You can add whatever you like. You may be thinking, oh, that's a huge pot of oatmeal. How could I ever go through all that oatmeal if there's only 1 or 2 of you that will eat it? I've got a solution. I'm gonna fill up my ice cube trays, freeze them, and when they're done, I'll pop them out and put them into a freezer bag and just have to put probably like 4 cubes in a bowl and defrost it, and there you go. My question for you today, what is your most favorite thing to put in your steel cut oatmeal? Leave me comments down below. I would love to connect with you. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. And if you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider giving me a thumbs up. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Have a great rest of your day, my friend. God bless. Bye.